How to change date of birth on X account. Let's get started. Launch your X app. You will land to the home page. Now at the top left corner, you will find your profile icon. Click on it. Now click on the option of profile. With that, you will land to the profile page. Now over here, you will see the option of edit profile. Click on it. Now from this page, you are able to change your date of birth. Over here, you will find this option of birth date. Click on that drop down. This can only be changed a few times. Make sure you enter the age of the person using the account. Click on continue. Now you can customize your date. You can firstly select your month and then day and then year. Once you are done, you can also customize who sees this month and day and year. You can set it to public, your followers, people you follow each other, or only me. Once you customize all these settings, you can click on continue. Now you can click on save. Now click on confirm. With that, your date of birth will be updated. So this is how you can easily change date of birth on your X account. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.